When you think of Ramsay I.B. High School athletics, football or basketball may come to mind. But did you know Ramsay offers the sport of tennis to its scholars? The program has been around for a while.
At the beginning of when tennis was introduced to high school, Ramsay was one of the big schools that had tennis, and this was before desegregation.
In more recent times, there was some girls who excelled, who started playing here at Inslee Park, at James Lewis, and continued on at Ramsay.
Until this day, the sport is still being played and the students love it. Ramsay hosted senior night this week for 4 scholar athletes who will graduate with the class of 2025.
Probably the most wins among 4 seniors that we've had in recent memory at Ramsay, and maybe for many years to come with James Giles and his number of singles and doubles wins.
Let's talk more about the impressive senior James Giles. He started playing tennis at 8 years old. A decade later, James is about to graduate high school with an offer to play tennis at the collegiate level.
I committed to and signed with Methodist University. I will be playing tennis there for the next 4 years, and I will be having my major in a program called tennis management, where I can continue to become a tennis coach.
James says he's already a level 1 certified professional coach, and he's coaching people of all ages. James's tennis record is stellar. James contributed to multiple state championship wins while playing on youth tennis teams at George Ward Park. In 2024, James was invited to play on the Alabama High School Athletic Association's North-South All-Star tennis team.
That experience was really good, to be selected as one of the All-Stars, getting to play with some of the best tennis players in the state.
Having experienced James and been with him as a coach the last 4 years, I'll tell people that I was James Giles' coach. He is definitely a fun to watch on the court. He's a great encouragement. He's taught other players, taught me things.
Jabril Armstead is another senior player who has been hitting tennis balls since the age of 12.
It's something I'm really passionate about and I'm good at, so obviously I like to perform.
What's a big lesson you've learned from tennis?
To stay consistent. You know, even on the court, like when we're playing, if you want to win, you got to stay consistent. So I apply that throughout life.
Jabril plans to attend the University of Alabama, where he hopes to land a spot on the university's tennis team.
My first time ever playing tennis was right here at James Lewis Tennis Center when I was like 8 years old.
And years later, senior Carmen Matthews is still serving the best shots she can on the court. Her days of playing high school tennis is about to come to an end. Tell me about the different skills you've learned over the last couple of years.
The biggest thing that tennis has ever taught me is patience. Like I used to have really bad issues when I used to lose. I got 4 broken rackets in my trunk, which is like $1,000 rolling around in the back of my Camry, because I used to get so upset and I used to just break my rackets. And one thing that tennis taught me was just to have a love for the game and a love for the art, no matter if I win or lose. And one thing I realized is if I win, I was prepared, and if I lose, I wasn't prepared. So what can I learn from it? So that's what taught me patience.
Carmen also has her eyes set on the University of Alabama after Ramsay. Meanwhile, as a word of encouragement to all aspiring tennis players,
it's really hard to get into at first, but you can do anything you put your mind to, so don't quit.
Don't get caught up in stereotypes and to break down barriers, to be bold.
I want to tell everybody, again, there's going to always be an opportunity for you out there. No matter what people will say about you, no matter what the obstacles are in front of you, go do it. Go for it.
I'm Fred Davenport, BCS Media.